Hi, welcome to my blog. This is a way that you can see the things that are going on in my life. As you can see, the name of the blog is SpinningPlates101.wordpress.com. This was created as part of an assignment for my Business Communications Applications class. The very beginning is where the journey begins. As you can see, if you scroll through, you'll be able to see the initial posts that I made when I began the blog. This home page is the menu to my thoughts. Here's where I post some of the things to alert you to pages that you can check out as I post new things on those pages. I have several pages on spinning plates. We started with the home page. Let's check out the Things to Do page. Things to do. One of the first posts that I mentioned was taking your kids to Disneyland. Here are some really fun pictures of my adult kids as they went to Disneyland, some of them for the first time. Things to see. The first post that I put on this page was a trip that we took to Mackinac Island on the very top of Michigan. It's only accessible by ferry and small airplanes. There are no cars on the island, no motorized vehicles, so you get around by horse-drawn carriage or bicycle or walking. We went in October and it was a little bit chilly. It was the last weekend that the island was going to be open because it tends to freeze over. And so everything shuts down. There's a few landscapers or groundskeepers that stay on the island over the winter, but they have beautiful sights and some awesome hotels, some of them historic. We stayed at one and did a mystery weekend. It was a lot of fun. My Things to Learn page has some of the assignments that we've been required to do, and one of them was inserting a video through Gmail. We discussed some bookmarking sites, and I have those links there. My Facebook and my LinkedIn pages can be accessed on these two links. And there's a compare and contrast information between Stumble Upon and Pearl Trees, the two bookmarking sites that I experimented with. Of course, WordPress is free, and so there's lots of awesome advertisements for your entertainment. Okay, things to eat. Rooster's Gourmet Popcorn. I highly recommend this. It is delicious. High quality ingredients, and you can check out their website. I don't believe that the WooCommerce part is working yet, but you should be able to give them a call and order popcorn. Things to think about. These are some things that I've learned, some of the classes that I'm taking this semester, and you can increase your brain activity on that page. And this is the way you can contact me and let me know what you think about the site. I should probably figure out how to get rid of the advertisements. Maybe I'll premium it up a little bit. Thanks for taking a look at my blog. I hope that you will find some things that are of interest to you there.